Joined on you guys? CJ the DJ here, back with another vlog today. And today, it's raining out. It's crappy weather. But I said to myself, I don't really care because I wanted to make another vlog for you guys. So, here it is. And it's 9 in the morning, so I don't know if Aiden's up. So, I'm not going to knock on the door, but I'm just going to check if he's out. So, yeah. It's really rainy out. Well, I think it just ended last night, but there's still puddles on the floor. So, yeah. I do not like the rain. It's boring. Okay, let's get Aiden. So hopefully you enjoy, and if you're new to the channel, just subscribe to the channel, and if you haven't already, like the video, and let's make it to 20 likes this time. There's leaves on the floor. Yeah, I do not like the rain because it's gloomy, and I'm happy, so I don't like that. So, yeah, there's still snow on the floor. I mean, on the grass. Well, Aiden's not here. That's his house. But I'm not gonna end the video here because it's not fair. So today, my brother, my sister, my mom, and my dad. Well, my dad's at work, but my mom, my sister, and my brother are still sleeping. So, and I woke up at 6, but I was playing GTA 5 all day until I wanted to make another video. I'll just show you what types of games I have, and they're pretty cool. I have the Xbox 360. That's about it, and I'll show you it. I'm gonna like in another video, I'm gonna show you what my bike looks like and what my house looks like from the outside, because Chase already did this, and I'll put his YouTube channel in the link description, so make sure to subscribe to him. And Aiden has a YouTube channel. It's gonna be in the link too, so make sure to check them out. So I'm close to my house. I'm gonna show you what I have for my video games, and I'll show you. So I have a black Xbox 360, and it's $100 from GameStop, so it's not that much money. I have Grand Theft Auto 5. I have Call of Duty Black Ops number 2. And then the last one, I don't have that much games, but I'll get some more. And Left 4 Dead 2. So that's pretty much all my games. And now I'll show you what my house looks like. So, holy crap. So, from the side view, it's the front view, but looks like the side. So that right there is my the front view. Here's the side view. And then here's my back view. Oh crap, there's water. Okay, back view. That view right here. Okay. Okay, it doesn't show my lot number. And another side view. So that's my house. So, well, you're not coming over here, but I just wanted to show you my house, see what it looked like. And that's my shed where I put my bike there. This is my basketball right there. And yeah. So that's my house. Okay, so this is my mom's van right there. What the heck is that? Car, and then there, and yeah, that's pretty much my yard and my mom's car, and that. Well, it's not that exciting for my mom's car, but it's a van, and it works. It still works, so it's fine. But when I grow up, I might get a GTR, because that's my dream car. Or I'm gonna get an i8. That's my other dream car. So, post your comments below what you want me to do next. And there's another vlog coming up, so hopefully you guys enjoy. Make sure to slap that like button. And if you're new, make sure to subscribe. And peace out.